Today will be the third day that Johnny Depp is on the stand in the defamation case he has against Amber Heard. Yesterday, he finished up his direct testimony. There was a lot of information that came out and even some audio clips of the fights between the two of them. It's interesting because they have recorded each other. And usually when people are recording each other, they're only submitting the information that is helpful to them. So we will see what type of recordings that she potentially has of him. Today, he's going to be under cross-examination, and yesterday they left it with a bit of a cliffhanger. The attorney representing Amber Heard came out and had him acknowledge that at the end of their divorce, he signed a statement saying that neither of the two parties had made any statements against the other that were false or made for financial gain. And at that point, she had already claimed domestic violence. So if that's the case, what the defense might be trying to say is, look, it cannot be defamation if it is in fact true. And their position is you agreed at the time of the divorce that it was true. So we'll see what happens today. Don't miss Johnny Depp under cross-examination on Court TV. It's going to begin at 10 a.m. Eastern.